Hey car enthusiasts! If you've ever felt like your car just isn't living up to its full potential, or you want to take it to the next level, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking for better performance, improved handling, or just that deep, aggressive growl, there are mods out there that will give your ride a serious transformation. Today, we're going through 10 performance mods that will make a massive difference to your car. From simple upgrades to more advanced mods, these are the essentials for anyone who wants to step up their car game. Let's get started with the first mod that can really get the ball rolling. 10. Cold Air Intake, CAI. First on the list is the cold air intake. If you're looking for one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to boost your car's performance, this is it. The cold air intake replaces your stock air filter with a high-performance unit that draws in cooler, denser air from outside the engine bay. Cooler air has more oxygen in it, and that's exactly what your engine needs for better combustion, which results in more horsepower and torque. Not only does the CAI increase engine performance, but it also improves fuel efficiency, as your engine won't have to work as hard to get the air it needs. The installation is relatively simple, especially for those of you who like to work on your own car, and it's one of the first mods people go for when they want a noticeable change in performance. 9. Performance Exhaust System. Next up, let's talk about the Performance Exhaust System. Stock exhaust systems tend to be restrictive, limiting the flow of exhaust gases as they leave the engine. With an aftermarket exhaust system, you'll get a much more efficient exhaust flow. This helps your engine to breathe more freely, allowing it to perform at its best and giving your car that extra boost in horsepower. But it's not all about performance. The sound of an aftermarket exhaust is something that can't be overlooked. Imagine hearing that deep, aggressive growl as you accelerate. It's one of the most satisfying experiences, especially if you've upgraded from a stock system. From a catback system to an axle-back setup, there are tons of options out there that will fit different types of cars and budgets. 8. Performance tires. Now, all the power under the hood won't matter if you don't have the right tires. Tires are often overlooked when it comes to performance mods, but they're just as important. A high-quality set of performance tires will drastically improve your car's grip on the road, making a huge difference when cornering, braking, or accelerating. Whether you're driving in the dry or wet, the right tires will give you more stability and control, which makes driving more enjoyable and safer. Performance tires are designed to be more responsive, with tread patterns that offer better traction. This is key if you're pushing your car to its limits, especially on track days or spirited drives. You can feel the difference immediately once you switch out your stock tires. The added grip will help you handle sharp turns and braking with ease, and you'll notice a smoother, more controlled driving experience. 7. Lowering springs or coilovers. If you want your car to not only perform better but also look cooler, lowering springs or coilovers are the way to go. By lowering the ride height, you're lowering the center of gravity, which helps reduce body roll during sharp turns. This results in better handling and stability, especially at higher speeds or when cornering aggressively. Lowering your car can also enhance its appearance, giving it a more aggressive stance. Not only will you get performance benefits, but your car will look sleek and stylish on the road. Coilovers offer adjustable ride height and damping, so if you want a more custom setup, this is a fantastic option. Number 6. Performance brakes. When it comes to performance, it's not all about going fast. Stopping fast is just as important. That's where performance brakes come in. Upgrading your brake pads, rotors, and calipers is a must if you're pushing your car to its limits. High-performance brake systems are designed to handle the increased heat and stress from aggressive driving, giving you more stopping power. If you're someone who enjoys driving on the track or taking your car out for spirited drives, the upgrade to a Big Brake Kit, BBK, can drastically improve braking performance. You'll experience less brake fade, better response, and shorter stopping distances. Plus, with the right upgrade, your brakes will look as good as they perform, with colorful calipers and drilled or slotted rotors. 5. Turbocharger or supercharger. If you're looking for a massive power boost, adding forced induction to your car is one of the most effective ways to achieve that. Both turbochargers and superchargers force more air into your engine, which allows for more fuel to burn, increasing the power output. If you're after dramatic performance gains, this is one of the most exciting mods to consider. Turbochargers use exhaust gases to spin a turbine that forces air into the intake. while superchargers are driven by the engine itself. Both options will provide a significant increase in horsepower, and they can be customized to fit different car setups. Adding forced induction is a great way to take your car to the next level of power. 4. ECU tuning or remapping. If you want to unlock even more performance from your car, ECU tuning or remapping is a great option. The Engine Control Unit, ECU, is responsible for managing many of your car's systems, including fuel and air mixture, timing, and boost pressure, if you've got forced induction. By tuning or remapping the ECU, you can adjust these settings to optimize performance for your specific setup. This mod is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase power and improve throttle response, acceleration, and fuel efficiency. You can have it done by a professional tuner, or in some cases, you can do it yourself using tuning software. If you've already made other performance mods, like an intake, exhaust, or turbo, ECU tuning will make sure those upgrades are working together to give you the most power. 3. Short throw shifter. For those of you who love driving with a manual transmission, a short throw shifter is a must-have. A short throw shifter reduces the distance you need to move the gear stick to change gears, making shifts quicker and more precise. This means better control and faster gear changes, which translates into more responsive driving, especially when you're pushing your car hard. Not only does it improve performance, but a short throw shifter also enhances the driving experience, making gear changes feel more satisfying. Whether you're on the track or on a twisty mountain road, this mod lets you take full advantage of your manual transmission and drive like a pro. 2. Nitrous Oxide System, NOS. For those looking for an instant burst of power, a nitrous oxide system, NOS, is the ultimate performance mod. NOS injects nitrous oxide into the intake, allowing more oxygen to mix with the fuel, and creating a powerful increase in horsepower. It's a simple and effective way to add massive power to your engine, and it's commonly used in racing for that extra push. While NOS can provide thrilling performance gains, it's important to use it responsibly. A NOS kit can be activated when you need that sudden boost, like during a race or an acceleration test. Keep in mind that using NOS too frequently can put stress on your engine, but when used properly, it'll give your car a serious speed boost. 1. Weight reduction. Last, but definitely not least, weight reduction is one of the most impactful mods you can do to improve your car's performance. A lighter car is faster, handles better, and accelerates quicker, simply because it has less mass to move around. There are many ways to reduce weight, such as removing unnecessary interior parts, switching to lightweight wheels, or upgrading to carbon fiber body panels. While some weight reduction mods may seem small, the cumulative effect can be significant. If you've made other performance upgrades, shedding excess weight will help you feel the full benefits. Whether you're tracking your car or just want better street performance, reducing weight will make a huge difference. So, there you have it. 10 performance mods that will transform your car. From boosting horsepower to improving handling, these mods will make your car faster, more responsive, and more fun to drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more car-related content. We've got plenty more mods, reviews, and tips coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.